things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night.
DCS right back, and yup, this time is the Hot Wheels series, guys, and it's a very special car. It's the A4 Audi Sport Quattro, guys. It's an amazing rally machine. You can just look at it and tell that it's a cool rally car. And yup, it's got 7 out of 10 in Baja Blazers, and yup, it's not the same without the flame Hot Wheel, guys, so it's purely original, obviously. So yup, guys, we gotta talk this car, but before that, we gotta talk about the last week's video. Well, the last week's video was also the cool one, the Pocket Fun RC car. It was the Aston Martin race car, the DB9 race car. It was so cool, guys. That pocket car has a lot of power. I mean, according to its size, it was so damn cool. So, yup, if you haven't watched that, just check that out. And one more thing, guys, I'm extremely sorry I'm unable to put the quick quiz for this month. I'm so damn sorry, guys. So I hope you guys can, like, you know, adjust. So yup, but I'll still be making the Hot Wheels videos, and you guys can keep putting your ratings on this, yeah, the cars which are I get. So yup, guys, let's move on to the unboxing right now. Yep, guys, here it is, out of the box, the Audi Sport Quattro. It is quite amazing, guys. Like, at the front, you can see it has the cool Audi badging, and yup, the headlamps have given a lot much detailing. The grille is blacked out, which is finally so damn cool. And yup, but still it misses the, you know, the bumper when detailings. And yup, it has got the large diffuser though. And as we move on to the front hood, the hood vents of the car are given much more detailing compared to any other car. Like, it has continued from the interior, the black things. And yup, as we move on to the sides, we have got that stock rally wheels, which is outstanding, guys. And the number 4, wow, it's so damn cool. The Quattro badging is my favorite in this car. And yup, it has got side view mirrors. Amazing. And as we move on to the rear, guys, the rear of the car misses the tail lamp detailing, and the nameplate is also quite blank. And yup, it has got cool exhaust, like it's not quite seen, but still. And yup, the interior of the car is blacked out, so it's nice. It's got that nice roll cage too, and the interior is stock, like actual Audi stock. The glass is transparent. That's my very favorite in this car. So yep, guys, as we have taken a round look, let's go for the information. It's time to talk Audi, guys. It's the information of the Audi Sport Quattro. So let's go for it. The production, guys. The production actually began in 1980 and it ended up in 1991, which is actually a good production time according to me. Well, time about the body style, guys. This car is actually a 2-door coupe. Let's move on to the engine. The engine is actually a 2.1 liter inline 5-cylinder turbocharged, which is also dual overhead cam, guys. It is quite amazing. You can't just see an inline 5-cylinder everywhere though. Well, this car is also a 4-wheel drive, guys, which is quite nice. Talking about the transmission is actually a 5-speed manual, guys. Well, let's move on to the horsepower. Let's see what this car got. So this car packs up to 302 horsepower, guys, which is nice. Well, moving on to the length. The length of this car is actually 4,164 millimeters. Talking about the width of this car is 1,803 millimeters. Well, moving to the weight. The current weight of this car is actually 1,299 kilograms. It is quite heavy though. Let's move on to the second best part, guys. That's the 0 to 60 time. This car does it in 4.7 seconds, which is quite amazing. Well, it's time for the car enthusiast thing. That's the top speed. This car's top speed is actually 155 miles per hour, which is around 250 kilometers per hour. It is quite nice. Well, the price is the shocking part, guys. Actually, at that time, this car costed $330,000, guys. It is so much. Actually, from $330,000 to $385,000. My God. You can buy a McLaren 720, I think, with that. So, yep, guys. But still, this car is quite the cool classic collectible car. So, yup, it's time for the special facts. So, let's go for it. Let's see what's it got over here. It's not the big one, but still. So, yep, guys, here it tells that the Sport Quattro won the 1985 Pikes Peak International Hill Climb, and the driver was Michelle Mouton. She set a record of 11 minutes, 25 seconds. Wow. A woman driver in a rally car. Amazing. That's so damn cool, guys. So, yup. There is your special facts. So, I've come to the end of my video, guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm extremely sorry that there's no quick quiz. So, yeah, I'm so sorry for that, guys. But I hope you enjoyed the video. So, yep, guys. Put your ratings for this car. I'm gonna give it a straight and 7.5 out of 10 because it does miss some detailing. So, yep, guys, put your ratings down below. I'll see you all next week, guys. So, let's stay tuned. Bye-bye now.